Let me share with you a tool that can be used for communicating and organizing within your team and all of your files. I don't share with you this tool because I necessarily need everybody to use it. I share with you this tool because, just like our students, there's multiple different ways to learn, there's multiple different ways to get to an outcome. And as a teacher, we have to help them understand all of those so that they can choose which one works for best for them. So this is the one that another tool that can work best for some. So over here underneath our inboxes, you will see chat. What chat is it is an instant messenger, but just a little bit different. And so coming here, there's a few different options I can do. I can either just type in here, or I can add an emoji, or I can upload a file from my computer. So if you want to share a file quickly without going into your email and setting up an email, you can do that from here. It's linked to your Google Drive since it's in Google. You can quickly add a video meeting and say, "Hey, meet with me," or you can schedule something on your calendar and it'll add it to this person's calendar for them to accept. So this is a quick, easy, instant messenger. It's right underneath your inbox. It says chat. The next one I want to show you is Spaces. What Spaces is it's a tool that you can use to organize things, and you can add multiple different types of files. You can add multiple different things in here. So what you can do is you come down to the bottom, start a new thread. This would be a conversation. This could be a reflection. This could be whatever you want to put here that would be typing. And so you could put, here is how I feel about the lesson. Then you can just reply. You can have your team reply. You can do a lot of different things here. So this is just like your text messaging, your emojis, your GIFs. You can upload a file. You can add a document from your drive. You can just create a new file that'll be in here and be in your drive. You can add video conferencing or add to your calendar. The other thing that you can do is you can add a file. So you can add one from your Google Drive. You can add one from your computer. And then here's the other folders that you have that are on your Google Drive. So now I can share a file, and I'm going to share this one. And so now down on the bottom, here's my file that I have. I can name it, share it. Now anybody in that group, anybody in that group has access to it. They can reply on it. Hey, here's what I think. We should change this. We should do whatever. I really like this. However you want to do that, you can add all of these other files here too. The other thing you can do is you can assign a task. So I'm going to add this task. I'm going to say, we need to do this. You can assign a date of when it needs to be done, so it'll come up as a reminder for everybody in the group. You can assign it to the group, and so that everybody that's in the group or everybody you assign it to will get that email notification. And so then it's here. Now I hit add. If I go back to my chat, which is my landing page, then I come here and it's right here. I click on it. Oh, yeah, what was that? I can click it as done. Now when I'm back on my landing page, it says, oh, that's a completed task. And so now that can be done there too. We can add spaces. We're going to create a space. We're going to call it Math Unit 2. We can add people to it. I'm not going to add anybody to it right now. We can use the thread replies. And we can allow people from outside the organization to access these things. So I'm going to create it. And now you can see over here that I've got my two folders. I can have as many folders as I want. and I can add new things. I can add new people. I can communicate with different people. If I have a math one, if I have a language arts one, if I have um, a team leader one, whatever you have, you can put all of that stuff in here. So that's Spaces. The last one is Meet. This is Google Meet. This is Google's video conferencing. You can start a new meeting. You can look at your calendars with your meetings, however you want to do it. Sometimes when I just need to video chat with somebody really quick to show them my screen or whatever, I just do a new meeting and then I send an invite to that person. And then that way they can just click on it. It's real quick. They don't have to sign into anything because they already have it right in Google. So this is this feature that's down here. You can use it if you would like to. It's a great resource. It's integrated into Google, and so you don't have to worry about, will my Google Drive work? Will my files from my computer work? Everything you can share, everything you can help your team to be a little bit more organized if this is the tool that you choose to use.